So I had some aluminum fascia blow off a while back and I didn't think anything of it. It was a full 12-foot strip that blew off. I figured I'd replace it sometime. Lo and behold, if you don't replace it, bad stuff can happen. And I learned that firsthand. I figured I could wait, nothing was gonna happen, maybe just replace a fascia board. Here's the spot, is right here. That's the piece that I replaced it with. It does not match. I'll show you the place where I still need to fix, but I'm not getting any issues as of yet. I just need to get another piece. Right here, this is what it looked like. That's another piece that blew off. I need to get another chunk. So what happened was we got a lot of rain in the last probably, I don't know, month or two. We've gotten 10, 15 inches of rain, just crazy amounts. And I walked into the garage here, just like this, and I was dinking around in here and it was raining. It was a night where we got about an inch of rain and I got to looking around. I looked up and this whole wall was glistening wet. All the way down to the bottom, you can see where it's darker. What was happening was the water was running off of the roof and my soffit was actually sloped back to the garage and it was pouring in. Everything coming off the roof was coming down the outside of the sheeting, and whoever built this garage didn't put house wrap on it. And if you know anything about house wrap, is to protect whatever water gets behind your siding so that it doesn't get sheeting wet. Well, it doesn't have that. So I had to get a piece of aluminum fascia to put on there, and as soon as I did that, we've gotten probably 5 inches of rain. We've gotten 0 water come in. And I know that's the problem because if you look at the top, if you look up here, it is a distinct line all the way across where the soffit begins. So it was coming down the soffit, running down all the way to the floor. So what do? I have to get some kills and probably paint all of this because it's been happening for a while, but it just hasn't been to the point of coming all the way down here to where I noticed it. Like down here, you can notice it's been wet, but it's nothing wrong with it. Up there has been getting wet for a while and I need to throw something on there, kill that. So the moral of the story is if something happens to your home or your garage, fix it right away. I learned the lesson the hard way. It can wait a little bit, but things can happen that you don't realize until it's too late, just like the inside of this wall. Within reason, very close to when it happens. That way you don't have any issues.